Is about to arrive in 5 minutes, so I request everyone to please be seated.
Hello, check.
Tourism Minister has also come. So he will also be the minister's guest of honor. Or guest of, but we're not able to.
अच्छा, so ठीक है, extend a warm welcome to just add his name also after contact, sir.
After contact.
Before contact. Timothy D. Shira.
Okay.
Tourism Minister.
Tourism Minister, your government. Not felicitation of the Chief Minister, Chair Distribution Plan.
We will call Timothy sir also. Okay, 3 people. Okay. Earlier you were only calling Bapawal and Conrad, sir, no?
We also have, we're calling you also.
Yeah, me also, that's fine, but first again.
Yes. Yes. So, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. Timothy D. Shira.
No.
Check. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to the state-level observance of the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking 2026. It is a privilege to have all of you here with us today as we come together to raise awareness, strengthen partnerships, and reaffirm our collective commitment towards a healthier and drug-free society. My name is Shraddha Sinha, and I'm delighted to be your host for today's program.
Well, Shraddha, thank you so much. I'm Adil Budkhar. On behalf of the Social Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya, DREAM, and all partner organizations, we extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, Shri Timothy D. Shira, the Honorable Tourism Minister, Government of Meghalaya, Paul Lingdo, the Honorable Advisor to the Government of Meghalaya Social Welfare Department. We also have in our midst the current advisor to the Social Welfare Department, Shri Renikton L. Thongkar. And we also have in our midst Dr. Sampath Kumar, IAS, Additional Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, in charge Social Welfare Department, Health and Family Welfare, and to other departments, Shri Praveen Bakshi, IAS, Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, Social Welfare Department.
We also extend a very warm welcome to Shri Aditya Goenka, IPS, Inspector General of Police, Meghalaya Shillong, Shri Bantelang J. Kharshandi, MCS, Joint Secretary, Education Department and Director, School Education and Literacy, Meghalaya Shillong, Srimati Saloni Verma, IAS, Director, Social Welfare Department, Meghalaya Shillong, as well as Shri Francis Kharshieng, Retired IPS, Mission Director, DREAM, Meghalaya Shillong, as well as Srimati Yamanlang, MCM, Chairperson, Meghalaya State Commission for Women, Meghalaya Shillong. We also warmly welcome representatives from various organizations, institutions, communities, and stakeholder groups from across Meghalaya who are present here today, and everyone who has joined us online through the Chief Minister's Office official Facebook page and Batisi channel on YouTube. Thank you so much for being part of this important observance from wherever you're watching. We would like to acknowledge Hills Minor Magazine, our media partner for this event, which will be documenting today's observance and featuring it in its upcoming July edition.
Observed annually on the 26th of June, the International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking serves as a global reminder of the importance of prevention, treatment, rehabilitation, and collective action against drug abuse and illicit trafficking. This year's theme, Break the Cycle, #StopOrganizedCrime, highlights the need to address both the criminal networks behind the drug trade and the social challenges that often leave individuals vulnerable to substance use.
We also acknowledge the awareness initiatives undertaken across Meghalaya under the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan, a flagship campaign of the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India. In the lead-up of today's observance, awareness rallies, outreach programs, pledge campaigns, and community engagement activities have been conducted across the state through the collective efforts of various stakeholders.
We commend all individuals and organizations who have contributed to spreading awareness and strengthening the message of a drug-free society. Today's observance also reminds us that recovery is possible when support replaces stigma, when communities choose compassion, and when help is made accessible to those who need it most. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to commence the formal proceedings of today's program. First, at the very outset, we have a felicitation to three respected individuals of the state of Meghalaya, and I would request our chief guest, the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad K. Sangma, to kindly felicitate Shrimati Thailen Phanbo, President Limpung Kisengkanthai, to Shri Jasbir Singh, President of the Sikh community, and Reverend W.C. Khongwir of the Jayao Presbyterian Church, Jayao Langsning. A round of applause to these prominent citizens of the state. Shri Jasbir Singh, President of the Sikh community. Last but not the least, Reverend W.C. Khongwir of the Jayao Presbyterian Church, Jayao Langsning. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We now invite you to turn your attention to the screen for a special musical presentation. The song you're about to watch is a Garo composition created and performed by Kido Alf, renowned rapper and lyricist from Resubel Para, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Health System Strengthening Project, or MHSSP. Ladies and gentlemen, Kido Alf for you.
Yeah, Rory, yeah, HIV, Mega Choke, Jeka, Via VIP, Dingtang, Bini Adi, Majawa, Maiga, Natia with DIE, Mosa, some Sakani Gree, Kapuni Bansi Siko, Stroke me, Sage, Sakani Gree, Kana raise up again, Siki Stakro Morgan, Ken Sakani Gree, Rumbagin Chio, Tagi Jaga Bako, Donange, Uchi Chicken Chibo,